What is soundscape ecology? Let's dissect this term starting with concepts that we already know. To begin with, ecology is simply the set of interactions between organisms and their environment. And as for soundscape, well, this term places ecology deep within the context of the acoustic environment specifically. Therefore, soundscape ecology is, to put in layman's terms, the study of environmental sounds and the individuals and landscapes that produce them. Often this field is applied to measure ecosystem health. In this presentation, I will begin by laying down the framework of soundscape ecology and then examining how the pasture-raised pig project at the Student Organic Farm fits into this puzzle. Alright, back to soundscape ecology. There are three primary components within soundscape ecology, and these are biophony, which is the complex chorus of ambient biological sounds produced by animals, such as birds, amphibians, insects, and mammals; anthrophony, which is any acoustic signal created by human activities such as musical performance, oral conversation, and mechanical sounds from machinery and automobiles; and then geophony, which consists of any sound created from physical processes like wind, rain, waterfalls, etc. Biophony often contains higher frequency sounds, whereas anthrophony tends to be represented by lower frequency sounds. Geophony can occur across the whole spectrum of sound. Typically, there's an inverse relationship between biophony and anthrophony, thus demonstrating the major impact that human-produced sounds can have on animal vocalizations. Soundscape ecology closely parallels landscape ecology, with both possessing similar foundations. These foundations include the fact that both are assigned a geographical context, as well as the fact that both identify biological and anthropogenic processes across spectral and temporal patterns. The final similar foundation that these two share is that both describe how disturbance alters patterns and processes across scales. So how is soundscape ecology beneficial? Well, this science can show how dynamic landscapes are as a product of their acoustic characteristics. Soundscape ecology can also help us enhance our understanding of how humans affect ecosystems. Finally, soundscapes are a great way to gauge biodiversity. PIGscape et al. State that natural sounds are our auditory link to the natural world. They argue that there is an increasing societal trend toward nature-deficient disorder, and that this is likely to continue as we replace our natural sounds with human-made ones. This idea provides a perfect chance to examine the soundscape at the pasture-raised pig project at the Student Organic Farm, or, as it's more affectionately called, the PIGscape. Perhaps, in examining the PIGscape, we are reconnecting and engaging with nature in a way that's both respectful and helpful in determining how to best provide for the well-being and general pigness of these animals. The PIGscape project consists of 3 pigs, Thelma, Louise, and Cleo, short for Cleopatra, who were brought to the Student Organic Farm from the intensive production system at the MSU swine farm. The purpose of this was to provide the pigs with an open system so that their behavior could be observed by student researchers. The pigs also play an important role in ongoing research examining the impacts of incorporating animals on small organic vegetable farm systems. The PIGscape project at the Student Organic Farm uses Remote Environmental Assessment Laboratory or REAL sensors to record the temporal sounds of female pigs prior to, during, and after farrowing. This recorder is located in the pig house and takes 2-minute-long sound clips every 15 minutes, 24/7, for the duration of the time the pigs are at the Student Organic Farm. One of the long-term goals of this project is to make a classification key of the various pig vocalizations in this open system and compare those to ones found in a confined one. It's hoped that in doing so, we might be able to find a better way of gauging general pig happiness and well-being.